The TRAILVIBER Portable Treadmill. It's one of those compact, portable machines aimed for home or small spaces. Let's see what it delivers. First off, this treadmill claims portability, meaning it's lighter, more compact, easy to move or store away. It's likely aimed at walking or light jogging rather than full-speed running. One of the strong points is its rated user capacity. Many portable treadmills are limited in weight capacity or motor strength, but this one seems better than basic models, so we need to check exact numbers. The design often includes features like LED display, safety key, possibly incline, though probably minimal, speed control, possibly treadmill belt with cushioning. If TRAILVIBER includes decent motor power, it'll handle daily walks, maybe light jogs. The noise levels tend to matter a lot. Customers often mention if it's quiet or noisy when in use. On the plus side, customers tend to love how easy it is to set up, how little space it takes, and how it helps maintain activity when weather is bad or gym access is hard. A portable treadmill is great for morning walks, warm-ups, recovery days. Also, features like mobile device holders, safety stop features, and basic displays become very useful in this category. If TRAILVIBER's model includes these, they add value. However, as expected, there are compromises. Speed limits are usually lower, incline may be shallow or absent, belt size small, which can be restrictive for taller users or longer stride. Motor might heat up under sustained use. Cushioning and shock absorption may be less robust. Longevity could suffer if used heavily. Warranty or service support might be less than big brands. Also, portability sometimes means lighter materials, which might trade off some stability. If I were you, I'd consider this portable treadmill if you need something for walking, light jogging, home office use, or senior users, not if you plan daily high-speed running or want maximal incline sprint performance. Also check the motor power, belt length, width, noise, warranty before buying. If this sounds like what you need, I've added the buy link in the description box. Make sure you compare with other portable models. Check customer reviews, especially about noise and durability. Thanks for tuning in. Smash that like if this helped you decide.